This place was once filled with laughter, small hands waiting, careful brushes moving. These dolls were not made to be forgotten. I'm Meetin, and today we're exploring a place where childhood dreams and creeping nightmares collide. A toy factory that never truly closed. Step inside with me. Can you feel it? The air here is heavy, thick with the scent of old wood, peeling paint, and something else. Something you can't quite name. It's the smell of forgotten joy. Decades ago, this factory was the heart of this small town. Every morning, the whistle would blow, and hundreds of workers would stream in, their hands ready to bring life to plastic and porcelain. They weren't just making toys, they were crafting companions. Each glass eye was placed by hand, a tiny window into a soulless world. Each face was painstakingly painted to look alive, with rosy cheeks and a gentle smile frozen in time. These weren't mass-produced figures churned out by a machine. Each one was unique, a little piece of art, waiting for a child's love. But then, the world changed. Tastes shifted, costs rose, and one day, the final whistle blew. The machines stopped their rhythmic clatter. The workers punched out for the last time, their laughter echoing through the halls before fading into silence. They left behind their tools, their unfinished projects, and the dolls. The dolls stayed, rows upon rows of them, sitting on dusty shelves, packed in decaying boxes, their painted smiles staring into the encroaching darkness. They were left waiting for hands that would never come. Years turned into decades. The factory was sealed, a tomb for toys. Dust fell like a soft gray snow, blanketing everything. It replaced the sound of voices, muffling the silence until it was absolute. Spiderwebs draped over the dolls like delicate funeral veils, replacing the bustle of human movement. But through it all, the dolls remained. They never followed anyone. No reports of them mysteriously appearing in new places. They never moved on their own. No security footage of a head turning in the dead of night. They simply watched. Their glass eyes, unblinking, have seen it all. They saw the last worker leave. They saw the first coat of dust settle. They've watched the slow, silent decay of their own home. People in the town have stories, of course. Whispers of feeling watched when they walk past the boarded-up windows. Kids daring each other to touch the padlocked doors, only to run away claiming they heard a faint giggle from within. But there's no monster here, no ghost haunting the assembly line. The truth is far more unsettling. These dolls aren't just objects, they are witnesses. They are silent keepers of a time when this place was alive with hope and creation. They hold the echoes of every conversation, every song hummed over the whir of machinery, every dream the workers had for the children who would one day hold these very toys. Maybe they are not scary because they stare. Maybe it's not the vacant, lifeless look in their eyes that sends a shiver down your spine. Perhaps they are scary because they remember. They remember the warmth of the hands that made them. They remember the promise of a child's embrace. And in their silent, perpetual vigil, they remind us of something deeply unsettling. That everything, even joy itself, can be forgotten and left to decay in the dark. And as we leave them to their endless watch, you have to wonder, what secrets do they keep behind those painted smiles? What do they see when they stare out into nothingness? Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you found this story as haunting as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious.